Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the FOXWELL NT624 Elite, a professional-grade OBD2 diagnostic scanner that's packed with features, but at a price that won't break the bank. If you're a DIY mechanic, car enthusiast, or even a small shop owner looking for a reliable scan tool, this one might just hit the sweet spot. The NT624 Elite is a bi-directional OBD2 scanner designed to read and clear trouble codes across all major vehicle systems, not just the engine and transmission. That means it covers ABS, SRS, air conditioning, TPMS, and more. It works on OBD2 vehicles from 1996 and newer, covering over 90 car brands worldwide. Here's what really sets it apart. The FOXWELL NT624 Elite lets you. It supports comprehensive full-system diagnostics, covering the engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, airbags, and more. Capable of scanning over 90 vehicle systems, this car diagnostic tool is ideal for a wide range of troubleshooting tasks. It can access various onboard systems to read and clear DTCs, monitor data flow, and turn off warning lights effectively. Performs all 10 OBD2 test modes, including reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, viewing live data streams, accessing freeze frame data, checking IM readiness status, conducting O2 sensor tests, and performing onboard monitoring. Detects pending codes that may not yet trigger the check engine light, allowing users to identify and address potential issues early. Provides an EPB service that safely deactivates and reactivates the brake control system, allowing users to replace and reset brake pads with ease. It ensures a smooth, accurate, and secure replacement process, preventing any risk of damage to the electronic brake system. Enables a quick and simple oil reset after an oil change, allowing users to turn off the oil service light without needing a mechanic. This feature helps maintain an accurate service schedule while saving time and reducing routine maintenance costs. The vehicle code reader features a user-friendly design with convenient hotkeys and a bright, easy-to-read 4.3 color display. Its automatic VIN scan function makes car diagnostics simple, even for beginners. Perform comprehensive emission self-checks before driving to ensure a smooth and worry-free journey. Enjoy a lifetime of free updates with this tool's lifetime upgrade feature, ensuring you always have the latest software, expanded vehicle coverage, and automatic bug fixes. Save over $200 in annual software fees while keeping your tool up to date. A must-have for home mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, beginners, professional technicians, dealers, and auto repair shops alike. The FOXWELL NT624 Elite sits right in that sweet spot between entry-level and professional tools. If you're a home mechanic or small shop owner looking for reliable diagnostics without breaking the bank, this is one of the best options out there. Thanks for watching.